So first thing first, you need to sign in to YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. After that, you want to go to your top right of your screen on the homepage of YouTube TV and then click right here on the shop icon. And right here, you want to click on all to see all the channel. And then here, you want to search for Filipino Plus Network. So right here on Filipino Plus, you want to click on it. And then you want to add Filipino Plus to your YouTube TV membership by paying for 19 bucks per month, and you can get 7-day free trial. So just click on next and complete your purchase by PayPal, credit or debit card. And after that, you want to go to your top right of your screen and then you want to click right here on the search icon. And then you want to search for Filipino. And then on Filipino Plus, you want to click on it to open the network. And then you can scroll down and see the Filipino channel, GMA Pinoy TV, GMA Live, and also GMA News TV. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. And that's how to watch Filipino Plus on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.